Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can insert a double bracket like this here, for example, into your documents on LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one would be to simply navigate to your text. And let me, for example, use the bracket keys on my keyboard like this and like that, for instance. Or if you prefer this, you may use these two and enter or fill the gap here with text. However, guys, there's also the option to insert a double bracket like this as a shape. This is how you can do it. Navigate to insert here at the top, hover your mouse over shape and choose symbol shapes. And at the bottom of that list, you will see these brackets and braces like this one or that one, left, right, double. I will go with double bracket and next position it here on your text. Hold your left mouse to resize it, and that's it. You may also use these handles here to resize the left corner and the top right and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.